Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Patty. I do fashion and beauty videos. Now today's video, I'm going to be sharing my favorite red lipsticks for Valentine's Day. As always, guys, don't forget to pass by my blog, pattyscloset.com, and also follow me on Instagram at pattys_closet, and there you see more fashion and more beauty content. Alright guys, I'm continuing my mini Valentine's Day series on this channel for you guys. I hope you guys have been enjoying it. Today it's all about lipsticks and I'm sharing my favorite red lipsticks. I am like the biggest red lipstick fan. I mean, there was a point that was honestly the only lipstick color that I would wear. I feel like now I'm more open to like more like nudes and pinks and other colors, but red is always like my base, my home, my go-to when I just don't know what to wear. I feel like a red lip is like so powerful and it kind of just adds like a nice touch to like your outfit or like to any look. I just feel like it's just so bright, so bold, and so out there. So today I'm going to share my favorite ones. I'll make sure to link them down below and let's go ahead and get started. Alright guys, so the first one that I want to share with you guys, this one is from Ofra Cosmetics. I absolutely love this red lipstick. I love it so much that the name is no longer on the tube and the sticker for the actual number of this lipstick is also gone. That's how much I've used it. It's swam in my purse so much, but I'll definitely make sure to find the correct one so I can link it for you guys down below. This red is like super bold, super bright. It comes with a nice little wand, so the application is very great. It's also a liquid lipstick, but it dries on super matte. I'm a big fan of matte, so whenever I want like a nice red lip that's not shiny or anything, this is the lipstick that I would go to. Now this one would run you about 17, 18 bucks. I know it seems kind of pricey for a lipstick, but I honestly feel like every penny is worth it for this one. I've worn this one for a very long time on a few occasions and I've eaten food and I feel like it just still stays intact. I feel like this is such a great lipstick. This is why I showed you guys this one as number one because it's like my absolute favorite. Now let me go ahead and swatch it for you guys. So this is what the swatch looks like. So like I said, it's kind of like a nice red bold. It does have a little bit of a deep kind of undertone, I guess I would say, but it's very bold when I put it on my lips. And like I said, it dries off matte. So if you're looking for a great matte lipstick that's going to last you all day, I would definitely recommend this Ofra one. And I promise I'm going to look for the correct number to this one since the little sticker fell off. Alright guys, up next, this one is from Grand Cosmetics. Now this one is their plumping liquid lipstick. I received their entire collection of this one and I absolutely love it. This one is in Red Delicious Matte. Their packaging is super cute. I love this like gold and you can kind of see the color through. I received about 4 or 5 colors from this collection and they have kind of like a plumping effect. So when you put it on, you kind of feel like this like tingling like minty sensation on your lips, so you kind of feel like your lips are like super full. I personally like that. And this one again is the liquid lipstick and it comes with the wand, and this one also dries matte. As you can see in the swatch, compared to the Ofra, the first one I showed you guys, this one is just like a tad bit darker. So if you're more into like a vampy kind of red, then I would recommend this one. And this one is a bit more matte than the first one I showed you as well. Me personally, I wear this one more towards the fall since it has more of like that dark red, kind of almost like a vampy type of red. And since I like to wear dark lipsticks in the fall, I kind of go more for this one. So now this lipstick, this one will run you 24 bucks. This one is more of the pricier one compared to all the other ones that I'm going to share with you guys. I believe that this one is the pricier one. But again, this is a lipstick. I feel that it's worth its money. Like I said, it has like that nice plumping effect. It makes you feel like your lips are super full. It dries on matte and the packaging is super cute. I absolutely love this red lipstick. Alright guys, the next two I'm going to show you guys together because they're from the same brand, the same collection. They're just 2 different shades of red. So this is from Milani's matte collection. So when this collection came out, I purchased every single one from that collection. I absolutely love Milani's lipsticks. I've been using them for quite a while. And like I said, matte is like my personal favorite finish. I do have a few ones that are a little bit glossy in my lipstick collection, but me personally, I like matte. So now these two here that I have, this one is number 72 in Matte Kiss, and this one is number 67 in Confident Matte. Now the difference between these two red, this one is the more bright, bold, true red. This one is more darker, more like a vampy type of red. So if you're more into the brighter one or more into the darker one, this collection has both. And again, this one has super cute packaging as well. I love that it's gold and it has the color on the bottom. Alright, so I swatched both of them for you guys. So the first one here on top out of the last two, this one is the Matte Kiss, and then the bottom one is the Matte Confidence. So as you can see, like they're two different types of red. One is more like a bright bold red, the other one is more like a vampy. And it's so funny to kind of see all the reds together, kind of like on the outside they all look the same, but then when you swatch them, they really have different shades of red. So now these Milani babies, these are Drugstore, so they're only going to run you $4.99. That's super inexpensive for lipsticks, and the quality of these are absolutely great. For $4.99, I absolutely love these lipsticks. I've been using them for such a long time, and I definitely recommend them. Alright guys, up next is this like lip pencil, and this is from ColourPop. Now ColourPop again is a brand that's like a ride or die. I've had this one for a long time. I started using ColourPop cosmetics maybe like 5-6 years ago, and I fell in love first of all with their price. They have super inexpensive makeup. This baby was only $5. I kind of went crazy and I bought maybe like 10 of these, but they were only $5 and I absolutely love the quality. This one is called Dazed, and again this one is a matte finish. And what I love about these sticks is that you just kind of turn it comes out, and they're just super sleek to kind of just throw into your makeup bag. I've tried so many other products from ColourPop and I feel like they haven't let me down. I've tried their highlighter. I recently got one of their palettes, and I think that the quality and the colors are pretty good. And their lipsticks is something that I've been using for a very long time. Alright, so this is what it looks like swatched. This one is almost kind of like a berry red, if that makes any kind of sense. As you can see, compared to the other reds, this one kind of just has like a bit of a like pinkish kind of undertone. It looks a little bit like berry. And again, it's easy to apply. It's only $5. I absolutely love these little babies. They come in so many colors. Alright guys, we are down to the last red lipstick that you can use for Valentine's Day. Now this one is from The Balm. The Balm has the cutest packaging. I swear, it's like so retro, so 70s, and it's actually the one that I'm wearing today, so you guys get to see it live on my face. I love how fiery red it is. This one is definitely like my top favorite, I would say, out of all of them. This one is called Loyal, and again this one dries off matte as well, and it comes with the little application here. When I first applied it, it's very wet, so I thought, oh my god, this thing is not gonna be matte, I'm not gonna like it. But just give it a few seconds and it definitely dries off very matte. This one will run you about $15-16 depending where you get it. Again, this is another great liquid lipstick that I feel is worth its money. I'll go ahead and swatch it anyways just so you can see it compared to the other reds, even though I do have it on. I forgot to mention that it also has like a nice kind of like a minty kind of scent. So in case you guys are not like big fans of mint like my mom absolutely hates anything with the scent of mint. I'm just letting you guys know. It has like this like scent of mint. Me personally, I like mint, so it does not bother me. Alright, so this is what it looks like. It's the last one here. I feel like this is more of like the brighter red out of all of them. Like when I see them all together, like I said, it's so funny to see all these reds. Honestly, on the outside packaging, they kind of all look the same, but when you swatch them, they're really not the same. My husband looks at my lipsticks and he's like, don't you already have that one? I'm like, it looks the same from the outside, but it's really not. So these are all the lipsticks here. Like I said, I'm a big fan of wearing red lipsticks, and I absolutely love to wear that color even more so for Valentine's Day. And I just wanted to share a couple of options with you guys. Alright guys, that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I wanted to share some of my favorite red lipsticks. I'll definitely make sure to link everything down below. Like I said, red is such a powerful color and I love a red bold lip. And for a Valentine's Day look, I feel like it just completes the look perfectly with a nice red lipstick. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. The link is down below. There's a new video here on Sundays, on Tuesdays, and on Thursdays. And that is it, guys. I will see you guys in my next video.